Uncle Sensei, will AI take away our jobs one day?
Listen, when I was young, my mom say, study hard, be doctor or lawyer, your future safe. Now, AI show up, make robot lawyer, robot doctor, robot friend who never complain about gas price. It's like you spend whole life learning kung fu, then one day, microwave oven beat you in a fight. So let's talk about it. Will AI take all the jobs? Most people think, yes, uncle, it's over, we doomed. But you know me, I say, hold on, we not dead yet. Here's the truth, AI will take jobs, but not the way you think. And the ones who survive, they don't fight the robot, they ride it like Uber. First thing, AI not coming for every job. It's coming for repetitive job. You know, the ones where boss say, do same thing every day, no thinking, no question. Data entry, gone. Basic translation, gone. Middle manager who spend all day forwarding emails, poof, bye-bye. You think AI is like a picky eater? No, AI is like Asian buffet. It take everything it can reach. But here's the trick. If your job need human charm, smell, weird little gut feeling, AI struggle. Like therapist who can smell when you lying. Or barber who know exactly how you want hair, even when you don't. So if you're in those jobs, you safe for now. Now here's the real kicker. AI doesn't just replace, it changes the rules. Think of it like Kung Fu movie. Before you fight with sword. Now other guy bring bazooka. You still can fight, but you better learn how to dodge missile. Example, photographers. Before you need camera, lighting, travel to Bali for sunrise shot. Now, one prompt. AI give you perfect beach, model, and sunset. And it never sweat. So what happened? Photographer who only click button, gone. Photographer who creates stories, concepts, feelings, still there. Maybe stronger, because now they make 100 ideas in one afternoon. This is the game now. You plus AI equals superhuman. You without AI, you just human. And in job market, that's like bringing chopstick to a buffet. You too slow. But the biggest thing nobody tell you, AI will create new jobs we don't even have name for. Back in the 90s, nobody say, when I grow up, I want to be social media manager. In 2025, kids gonna say, I want to be AI personality trainer, or I want to be neural network therapist. My patient is a toaster who think he's Batman. Already, companies hire prompt engineer. Fancy way of saying person who talk to robot better than other people. One guy making $300,000 a year. For talking. My cousin talk all day for free. Waste of talent. The point is that when tech move, job market bend like bamboo. Some branches snap, some grow faster. Let me tell you the secret sauce. If you want to keep job, you have to be irreplaceable. That means do the part of the job AI can't do yet. Human judgment, emotional connection, cultural flavor. If AI can make 100 essays in 1 second, your value is not speed. It's knowing which essay make the boss cry, laugh, or sign a $1 million deal. Learn AI tools now, not later. Because when your boss asks, who know how to use this new system? And you raise your hand, congratulations, you just make yourself more valuable than half the office. It's like being the only person at family barbecue who know how to start the grill. Everyone suddenly respect you. Now, time for Uncle Sensei's words of wisdom. When tiger come to village, smart man don't fight tiger. Smart man ride tiger, then sell tickets. So here's the takeaway. Yes, AI will take jobs, but it's not the end. It's just new game. Learn the tools. Add your human magic. Be the one who rides the robot, not the one getting run over by it. And remember, in life, when change come, you either be the chopstick or the hand holding it. Now go, before AI learns your job and your grandma's secret dumpling recipe. No skip, you watch, is family tradition.